Have you ever wanted to grow your money, but the thought of navigating complex investment platforms has you feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. That's where platforms like StashAway come in. But there's a crucial question on everyone's mind. How long does it actually take to see your hard-earned cash start working for you? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding StashAway deposits. StashAway has made investing accessible to everyone. But like any financial platform, understanding how deposits work is key. So, let's break it down. Generally, the time it takes for your deposit to reflect in your StashAway account depends on a few factors. The deposit method, how you're sending the money matters. Bank transfers typically take longer than credit or debit card deposits. Bank processing times, your bank's efficiency also plays a role. Some banks process transactions faster than others. StashAway's processing time, once the funds reach StashAway, they usually take a short time to process. Deposit methods and processing times. Let's talk about the most common deposit methods and their typical processing times. Bank transfer, this is usually the preferred method for larger sums. It's generally secure and often comes with lower fees. However, it can take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days for the funds to reach StashAway. Credit or debit card, quick and convenient, but often comes with higher fees. The money usually reflects in your StashAway account almost instantly. Other methods, some platforms might offer additional options like e-wallets or direct debits. Check StashAway's specific guidelines for these. Tips to speed up your deposit. While you can't control your bank's processing speed, there are things you can do to expedite the process. Choose the right deposit method, opt for credit or debit card if you need the money in your StashAway account quickly. Double-check details, ensure all account information is correct to avoid delays. Contact your bank. If it's taking unusually long, reach out to your bank to inquire about the status of the transfer. Contact StashAway support. If the issue persists after a reasonable time frame, StashAway's customer support can help. What to do if your deposit is delayed? If your deposit is taking longer than expected, don't panic. Here's what you can do. Check your bank account, verify that the money has left your account. Review transaction details, ensure all information is correct. Contact StashAway support. They can investigate the issue and provide updates. Real-life experiences and testimonials. To give you a better idea, let's hear from some StashAway users about their deposit experiences. While the exact deposit time can vary, understanding the factors involved can help manage your expectations. Remember, it's always a good practice to initiate deposits a few days before your desired investment start date. Additional tips. Here are some extra tips. Set up recurring deposits. Automate your investments for hassle-free saving. Explore StashAway's features. Maximize the benefits of the platform. Review your investment goals. Ensure your portfolio aligns with your financial objectives. Remember, this information is general in nature. Always refer to StashAway's official guidelines for the most accurate and up-to-date details. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Share your experiences with StashAway deposits in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.